Hello po. Good day everyone. Sa lahat ng ating FB friends and subscribers po ng ating YouTube channel Edwin Malinao Official. And of course, our FB page Edwin Malinao Official. Nagpapahatid po sa inyo ng magandang araw, magandang pagpati. Ito po ay meron lang po akong i-announce. Yun pong ating cash raffle draws na gaganapin sana sa May 2nd, 2025 at 6:30 p.m. Philippine time. Imumove po natin sa May 10 at the same time, 6:30 p.m. Philippine time. Dahil may mga nag-request po na yung May 2 is may konting conflict dahil kapistahan po doon sa aming bayan sa Santa Maria sa Barangay Mozozin Norte and Barangay Mozozin Sur. So, ang sabi nila masyado silang busy right after the fiesta. Baka ma-miss nila yung live streaming ng ating cash raffle draws. So, I think it's better to move it for May 10. The same structure po. Cash price is 5,000, second price is 3,000, and third price is 2,000 for our lucky subscribers. So, inanyayahan ko lahat na mag-live kayo sa May 10, Saturday, okay? So, ipagpasensya na lang ng mga subscribers natin na hindi naman taga Santa Maria. They are from nearby towns and other places as well. Meron din tayo subscribers dito sa Canada na nag-join, sa Vancouver, Manitoba, meron pa tayong USA. Yung iba, nasa Italy. So, but mostly, ang subscribers natin ang the bulk of our subscribers are in the Philippines. So, I hope you will understand. At ito naman is good for all, okay? And for those who have not subscribed yet, mga kaibigan nyo, let them subscribe and panoorin nyo po ang ating mga videos, mga latest upload. At i-flex ko lang yung ating premiere video upload. Siguro it will happen tomorrow. Nagkaroon po ng konting problema sa pag-upload. Kaya medyo mabibinbin po ng konti ang ating premiere video uploads sa YouTube channel and also on our Facebook page, okay? So, good luck to all and God bless. Bye!